Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you some proof of how well OLSP system is converting from leads into paying customers. And this got me thinking because I got an email recently. I'm on the email list of a seven-figure earner, and he sent this email out for OLSP Megalink, and he said, he showed some proof of how well his customers to leads were converting. So what he says here is that it basically means for every 10 leads I am bringing in, one of them is buying something and earning me commissions. Now, he showed the proof. He says below is proof from my back office. So he's taken a screenshot of his members area, and he's got 179 customers, 1,432 leads, and that converts to 12.5%. And he shows here little screenshot of his leads and his customers. So that got me thinking. So I'm going to show you inside my members area and just show you how well this is converting for myself. So you'll see my total earnings in the top left hand corner, $492. So I'm going to blur out the members' information for privacy because there's all the names and emails on here. But when I go into customers here, you'll see it says in very small font, your customer count is 49. So I'm going to make a mental note of that, 49. And then when I go into here, when I go into my leads, again, in very small font, my leads table, it says total leads are 182. So when we go over here to the calculator, the way you worked it out in the same ways that he worked it out is you take your 49 customers, and then you divide that by 182 leads, and then what that equals is that number there. And then what you do is you times that by 100% over here, and that's what you get as a percentage. So my conversion is 26.9. So 26.9. So what that means is for every 10 leads, 2.5 people are buying. So I want to share that with you, and I want to show you really why that is and why this system converts very, very well. First of all, you can promote one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams. And this gentleman down here, I'm going to take you inside the members area shortly, show you how it works. But this gentleman here, Wayne Crowe, he's the owner and creator of OLSP System and Megalink. And Wayne has been online for over 10 years and he's made over $15 million. Now, his mission is to help everyone from absolute beginners to intermediates to advanced marketers become successful with affiliate marketing. So the link in the description will give you the access to this video. If you're looking for a mentor and someone that can help you succeed online, then at all levels, Megalink is only one product of a portfolio. But I recommend you come and meet Wayne Crowe. Watch this video here, and then he'll tell you a lot more about what he's doing. Now, it's $7 one-time payment. So when you join, you go into the members area here. You click on there to get your Megalink. Now, there's all the free training in here. There's training at all levels. This one here is really good. Discover how newbies like you can really earn 6 figures from affiliate marketing. You'll see there's a counter on here. He's doing live trainings. This live training is a 100k giveaway and how we broke Facebook. So he does a lot of social media free marketing as well. The trainings are all done by Wayne himself. He's absolutely superb. Not only does live trainings, but he also does replays as well. What I want to show you now is how simple this system is and how it works. So what I'm going to do is get my little pencil out over here. And there's nothing hard, nothing technical about it. So if you are brand new, it's perfect. No monthly membership cost, just a one-time $7 payment. Now, if we draw a line down here, all we're concerned with over here, all you've got to be concerned with over here, if you're brand new, it looks quite overwhelming. Lots of boxes, lots of numbers, lots of different. So this is a complete ecosystem that Wayne has set up. But all you've got to do over here is be concerned with one thing. Now, that one thing is traffic. So that's all you've got to do is learn traffic. Now, what I'll show you here is you're going to drive traffic to the mega link. Now, the mega link, you're going to get yours here in the top right hand corner. That's going to be your mega link there. Now, the mega link goes to, when you promote it, goes to this lead capture page. So you're just going to promote one link. You're going to promote this page. Your prospects are going to put their email into there. It shows you how to do free traffic, cheap traffic, paid traffic. But that's how simple it is, promoting one link. And then what happens on the right-hand side of this line over here, everything over here is a complete 100% done for you system. So we call it DFY, done for you. Done for you. And when we say done for you, everything is done for you. So let me show you how it works and what you're going to get. Now remember, you're only paying a one-time $7. No monthly membership costs. So what happens is you're going to promote your mega link lead capture page, and then when your prospect opts in, then this is where the magic really happens, because Wayne sends out emails for you. He sends out daily emails for you. All right, no extra cost, but within those emails, he's promoting your affiliate link. He's promoting your affiliate link. Now, what's he promoting in there? Well, he creates his own products. He spent $250,000 on this system. So what he does, he promotes his offers to your prospects. Your affiliate links are going to be in here. Autopilot, you don't have to write any subject lines. You don't have to write any emails. It's all done for you. Now, these products here, you'll see there's low ticket products. There's medium ticket, there's monthly recurring, and there's also high ticket products. But he's created all his products himself. So when we showed you over here, when I showed you this page here, one income stream, one link, 7 income streams, then that's how that works over here. So, but it gets even better than that, because what he does, he gives you all the training and all the support. He creates the websites, he does live trainings, he does free training in the members area, and he's also got a Facebook group, which I'll come to shortly, of 145,000 members. He's built a community, because one of the main reasons that people fail to make money online with affiliate marketing is they don't have anyone to talk to, they don't have any help, they don't have any support, they don't have the right training. He provides all of this for you. My email address will be in the description as well, if you'd like to contact me direct through email, and I will help you as well. So lots of circles, lots of boxes. He's got a team of 32 staff as well. But the main thing is, you've only got one thing to do, and that's learn traffic. And once you can learn traffic, then let the system just take over for you on autopilot. So I'm going to play the video now and just share a few words from Wayne, and then I'll come back to you at the end with some more important information. Just go onto my pointer there and then just press play.
Pages. We're going to build all the products for you. We're going to promote other affiliate offers for you. We're going to do things like putting on live trainings. Okay, live trainings is something that nurture people really well. We're going to put on webinars. We're going to write all the emails and send all the emails for you. We're going to support everything. We're going to put on all the training. We're going to build the websites. We're going to do absolutely everything for you, making it easy to copy the exact thing that has made me personally millions of dollars. Okay. And this lasts forever, guys. Okay. This lasts forever. If someone joins today, okay, and doesn't purchase for 3 months, you're still going to get commission in 3 months. If they purchase 100 things, we're going to give you 100 individual commissions. Okay. And just by sharing the magic link, we have an awesome technology that tracks everything back. So we know you brought that person to us, right? It's been years in development. It's cost me $250,000 just to build the newest version of this. It's insane what this does. And all you have to do is copy and paste the mega link. We're going to do everything for you forever. Okay. And this is where your journey starts. And there's more you can do. There's more trainings you can do. There's more things you can learn. There's more stuff you can do to increase your commissions, to make more commissions. But I'm literally giving you right now the keys to my ecosystem. Okay.
So thank you very much there to Wayne for that. I'll just show you the Facebook group. 145,000 members. Wayne himself is very interactive in the Facebook group, but you have got thousands and thousands of affiliate marketers, successful affiliate marketers that are here, not just Wayne, but thousands of others to help you succeed with your affiliate marketing. So there will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what's worked for me and also for other OLSP system members, and we've all got an equal opportunity to join OLSP system and promote the offer as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, and that will help support the growth of my YouTube journey. And if you'd like to see some more videos on how to make money online from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I do several new uploads every week, and there's over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP system, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you, and my email address is in the description there if you want to get talk to me directly. Let me just show you here again. So what I recommend you do, if you can find the page over here, what I recommend that you do is come and meet Wayne Crowe. Where's Wayne? Here he is. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. The link in the description will give you access to a video. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. If you're looking for someone, if you're looking for a mentor, someone to help you hold your hand every step of the way, then I highly recommend Wayne Crowe. I've learned such a lot from him, and I'm continually learning from him. And he really is someone that's very sincere and looking to help you succeed at whatever level you're at now or going to be in the future. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.